Moje meno je Peska Piro a dneska bude to už štvrtá epizóda GTA 5 a dneska tu nebudem sám a bude tu...
Takže tu je Crazy Boss. Kokos, neviem, ktorá epizóda.
Viem. Akurát, že ja som už išiel na tú misiu. Túto misiu ste ešte videli, ale nevadí. Ešte v tej tretej ste to videli, ale nevadí.
A stridáme sa po misiách. Takže Rolo má nejaké skilly, ja mám nejaké skilly, takže čo? O toto je zaujímavejšie.
Aké skilly?
Ty si debil.
Aby to počul.
Ježi, ešte si dal na ne.
Toto môžem preskočiť, lebo toto ste už videli v tretej epizóde, čiže to len tak. Len mne sa vtedy vypla kamera, lebo som mal už málo miesta a teraz to ako keby znova. Ale budeme pokračovať ďalej.
The yacht's been stolen? I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money. They don't want to buy it, they just want to take it.
Franklin, čo si ožratý, poď. Prdele. Ne?
Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
Viete, aké je toto rýchle autíčko? Také, že to narazí. Malo by to byť hádečko. Momentík. Ja som narazil. Nerealizm.
Shit, things that desperate, huh? Nah, but you know, shit, I was making a
Oops.
Apologize and self-deprecation. I know it well. Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at? Little shit's been hijacked.
Ne.
No, potom mi to video prepošleš.
Ako ti to mám? Môžem.
Man, ain't you worried about my boat? Yeah, I am. But you can always buy another boat.
Jak
Tell my
to?
accountant that. Man, you can always get credit for one. But have you come repo it? No, thank you. Alright, homie. I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress. Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck you want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Bude takúto káru, by každý
Ježiš, tak to
chcel.
keby nabúraš.
Už som nabúral.
Ale nie do toho oného auta, aby sa prekotilo. Lol.
Hey, what we about to do? I'm gonna get you close. And you're gonna
Musíme rýchlo teraz, to musíme dobehnúť.
Fuck it, let's do it.
Ten kamión.
I got a piece in the glove box. They give you shit.
Naplno.
I'll take them out. All that's cool, man. You shovel one
Hold
hand
on.
with another. My motherfucking concern is I might miss the jump and fall in fucking traffic. You said you wanted to learn from the best. Let's call this lesson about
Potom keď budete chcieť, tak natočím ešte s jedným s kamošom PS4, ale to až potom. Keď tak Počkaj, ja mu trošku pomôžem. Ja mu trošku pomôžem, ukážem potím.
O, ešte mal prejsť.
Netrafil som sa.
He's a useless little shit, but he's my useless little shit. Stop it!
Jos!
O, ešte si mu prešiel po nohách. Ja.
No poďte.
Now go find Jimmy.
Je to Jimmy?
It's a whole story, bro. Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom!
Jim, poď sem, kamoško. Nie.
Help.
Mám ti helpnúť, len ja nestíham. Počkaj. Dobre, stíham už. Pekne mi dopadol. Na ričku.
Don't dad me! Don't dad me, you little
O,
Pekne,
jeden bullet.
Freddy.
He's still seaworthy. Ah,
Momentík, ja... Keď pribrzdím, tak mne to ide im to. Tak rýchlo. Naplno. Poď. Skoč to jen, kamočku.
All fucking board? Let's stop this ship from sailing.
Motor bol ako hapruje.
Sound good. Hey, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing. Come on, stay with me. Stay with me. Ah, my fucking boat. Hey, it's just a...
Máme ísť do opravárne.
Hey, there's some chop shop back there, dog. Driver's there, we can get the ride fixed. My boat. It's just a thing. My boat. Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up.
Zatiaľ spravím strich.
OK, takže sme späť a už hráme, lebo sa Rolo zabil. Sakrolko.
A tomu to trošku dlhšie trvá, lebo tam ešte muselo dať farbu.
Ale to je pekná, určite.
Aj keď neviem na čo.
Ale to je pekné.
Ty vole, ale nemáme peniaze.
Ježiš, ten pako.
Nemáme peniaze a ešte kupuje. Je to normálny človek?
Nevadí.
Hey, that's rough.
Ježiš, ale si slepý.
No tak keď sa po ceste rozprávaš ešte.
Všetci, to faktora. Ale to má slavé brzdy.
Tak keď asi centimetr brzdíš, tak
Ale tak, keď som mal jedno auto na GTA 5, tak pamätáš, jak sme hrali a som hneď pribrzdil a že potom nám to vadilo. To pomaly, mi to rýchlo a teraz...
aj také máš tam isté.
Dovidky, ako pekné kára. Nech si nechá toto auto, navždy.
Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Jakieś takie piękne. Ui, nie, ui.
Ty čo robíš?
Sam máš auto, dobre si. On ťa zabije, ale nie.
Počkaj,
Newcomer. Ale tam máš tu pekné, dobré auto.
to je jedno, aké má. To je tiež pekné. Ľudia, ideme na...
Otáznik tam blízko.
Ideme na otáznik najskôr. Keď to máme bližšie. Zatiaľ spravíme strich, pokiaľ tam budeme. Tak sme sa rozhodli ísť na Michaela, lebo ma naháňali policajti, aj keď neviem kvôli čomu.
To je kráva. Či debil, či čo?
Skočí zo strechy. Iný parkourista. Počkaj, ja nejdem vlastne.
Hey, you! Stop it!
What's up, man? Get out of my way.
Michael, calm down.
What the fuck is going on?
Nothing happened. It was a
She
misunderstanding.
fucked up breaking my bed. Bullshit.
It wasn't like that.
You in? Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this motherfucker.
Just don't kill him!
Fíha, aká je nahnevaná.
Tréner tenisu.
You okay, home? What happened?
Ja mu dám,
Fakt, že ma nevidno na videoke, tu tak som. Žalalalala.
ja mu dám také, len nereval, potom im to není vidno, potom bruje. Dobre, ja musím rýchlo ísť. Nemykaj dál.
Nemykám. Tuto je kára.
Ako ide rýchlo? Bože, veď to ledva otočí sa. Neujdeš mi? Asi. Aj keď mi ujdeš, no.
Daj.
Fuck, man, I think we lost his ass. He lives somewhere up in the canyon. We'll find him. How'd you catch him? It wasn't hard.
Nemusím.
They were in my house, in my own bed, on top of each other.
My house? My house?
The whole thing was kind of self-explanatory, Frank. And what we're about to do won't need much context either.
Shit, let's go coast the shit out this motherfucker.
Ips.
Hey, you know, one of these fucking houses. Left this car, check it out. Little pricks up there, look.
Tak, už jsme tu.
Coast doing all right for himself.
Ako môžete vidieť, tak
Hey, asshole! You ran off before we could settle on debt. Michael, fine. You got the wrong idea, man. There's a winch in the back of the truck. Tied a cable to one of those supports up there.
Gonna pull his deck down?
Hey, that brick hold my marriage down.
Man, you really gonna be this fucking dramatic?
Yeah, whatever.
I told you I called the session, bud.
But there were a lot of freaking sessions, bud. I'm thinking you were working on more than just a backhand.
Manny's backhand has come a long way, bro. But sometimes it's gotta get worse to get better.
Yeah, well, maybe I should come up there and practice my backhand. On your face!
Bud, your negative energy is seriously bringing me down.
Oh, I hope it is, bud. We hooked up, man. You come into my house, take my money, and nail my wife? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm gonna stick up my hand and say that was uncool, bud. My bad. Seriously.
How fucking magnanimous! May I please offer you my applause? You fucking motherfucker!
Dude.
And we'll see how you like when someone fucks with your shit.
Well, hey.
Wait! You got the wrong idea, pal! Whoa! Fuck. Here we go!
neviem ako to môže byť, že auto potiahne dom alebo dom. Vojaký oný stánok, či čo to je.
Man, I think that shit's coming down, man. Man, get some force on that motherfucker. Oh!
Yeah! Huh, come on!
Fuck, man, fuck.
Oh, we did it! Fuck his ass!
Yeah, fuck him. But was we really trying to pull that dude house off the fucking hill?
Hey, we were trying to teach him a fucking lesson.
Now that's an expensive bitch ass lesson, man.
Maybe I'll keep it on the
Lesson,
hook out of
man.
my wife.
Yeah, he not taking no house fires back to that motherfucker.
Hey, it's a service to the fucking community.
Man, you been kind of reckless, homie.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house. Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a
Grandma
tennis
goes-
coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Ne, smahinky blbci naháňajú.
Red one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you
Pozor, otváraj.
Oh, I'm scared.
Si zamotnúť.
Just fucking terrified.
Dobre, ja sa rýchlo tu idem skryť. Pištolku.
Captain's on his home.
Tiahneme a bum. Jeden dostal.
Kid, you do something?
Tule. Píky, hedku.
Right? Screw him.
Ty koho tu on?
Uh-oh, that guy got it.
Hey, how you doing over there?
Ale čo?
Got one.
Á,
Jesus!
vyriešené.
We lost.
Toto bolo také jednoduchejšie.
Man, I need to think about this. Whew. Hey, thanks for the help out there today, kid. I had no idea it was gonna get that hot.
Shit, pulling houses off the hillside, it sure has a weird way of fucking with people.
Yeah, well, I thought I was through with all that shit. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Shit, I think we're about to find out.
You know who I am? No, you don't know who I am. Do you?
Now, who you? You? I think so.
Good. I know who you are. I know where you are. Who are you?
I'm Frank.
License.
Santa here. Who am I?
I think Martin Madrazo.
Good boy. Now maybe get him a little of the background.
Man, Mr. Madrazo is a legitimate businessman who was wrongfully accused of running a Mexican-American gang and a narcotic ring, but the charges were dropped because of the witnesses came up.
Because.
Smart kid. Now, Michael, got a question for you.
Ja.
Did you prove an architectural, significant, modernist wonder home down the hillside in Vinewood Hills?
I thought the owner was banging my wife.
Well, that was a strange house for a tennis coach.
Sabi mo Sonic.
I wasn't thinking straight.
Clearly.
Yeah.
Well, Natalia will need a hotel. Will you finance a rebuild? Won't she?
Sure.
Good. And I'm guessing here that the rebuild will be somewhere in the 2.5 million range.
Of course.
Great.
That's nice.
Come on, man. Damn, you alright?
Never better.
So what now?
Looks like I'm gonna have to postpone my retirement. Fuck. Ah, man, I'm mortgaged up to my eyeballs. Look, I only know one way to make money. I'm gonna have to give an old friend a call. Lester. I think he's in town somewhere. I'm gonna have to track him down. Just give me a little alone time, alright?
Alright, dog.
Idem ja. Daj.
Počkaj, už teraz nebudeme teraz robiť misie, už to za chvíľku musím vypnúť, lebo...
Ale idem ja? No, ešte to pokračuje. Ale už bol v Mission Passe, takže idem ďalej, ja.
No, ideme.
Čo?
Even for a dead man, Michael.
Ooh, you don't sound good, buddy.
Tactful and charming even in death.
Ale už
Come see me.
Ešte jednu mis.
I'm living in Los
už
Angeles, just
je
like you. Maria
18.
Whoa, whoa, wait.
Len do 20, lebo
Hello?
ja tam mám takú pamäť, že
You
to
fucker.
už potom nevydrží, tak zatiaľ, wow, to bolo aké pekné salto. Dvojité salto. Chodím teraz volať, čo budete spraviť. Rýchlo, ale... Už len také funky vecičky teraz spravíme, lebo už nám
Nedostávam veľa času.
na ďalšiu misiu veľkú.
Uí. Tak, dobre, takže...
Ako môžete vidieť, tak Michael vie dobre saltá robiť.
I just hope you have proper hatred.
Ja si zastavím autičko. Ale preč.
Come on, motherfucker, shoot me back.
Tam je havárka. LOL.
Ani sa to tak nezdá, že to už natáčame už 19 minút, nie?
Pozri, aká havárka. Tu čo je? Aha. Čum.
Ty kokos, premávka. Ľudia, toto sa vám už volá kedy stalo?
Rýchlo teraz musím tam.
V reálnom čase by som to nechcel.
A aha, Bugatti. Tam bolo. Pozor, ty práko. Ty si sprostý. Hej, ešte do mňa napoj.
Máš koniec.
Sprostý.
Práve ešte rýchlo boli aké oné.
Hovadinky.
No, rýchlo. Lebo už je
Ty kokos!
len 10 sekúnd.
Kokos, videli ste to?
No, videl som to.
Akí sú sprostí fízli? Pozrite sa.
Vyskúj zavte, rýchlo. Dobre, ak sa vám video páčilo, nezabudnite dať like. My sa s vami lúčime.
Čaute.
Čau.